Costco has a tool aisle most members walk right past. Not because there's nothing there, because they never thought to look. Every week, millions of people pay $65 a year to shop at one of the most aggressively priced retailers on earth, then walk out with bulk paper towels and a rotisserie chicken while leaving serious tool deals untouched on the shelf. That ends today. There are 15 tools at Costco right now that deserve to be in your garage, your truck bed, or your workshop. And most of them are priced so far below what you would pay at Home Depot or Lowe's that it's almost embarrassing. Some are exclusive. Some come with warranties that don't exist anywhere else. And a few of them can only be purchased with a Costco membership, which means the moment you walk out of this video, you have information that a lot of people don't. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to understand about Costco's tool pricing is that it isn't accidental. It's structural. Costco doesn't operate like a hardware store. It operates like a buying club. The company has over 130 million members worldwide, and it uses that membership base as leverage, going directly to manufacturers and negotiating prices that smaller retailers simply cannot match. When Costco wants to stock a DeWalt tool set, it isn't buying a few pallets and hoping for the best. It's placing orders large enough that manufacturers have to take the meeting seriously. The result is that Costco can sell a 74-piece DeWalt Mechanics tool set, a name brand, in a metal-latched case with a full DeWalt warranty for prices that routinely undercut Amazon on the same product. That's not a clearance deal. That's every day. But the standard pricing is only half the story. Costco has a second lever that most shoppers don't understand: exclusive product configurations. Manufacturers will create Costco-specific bundles or model numbers that exist nowhere else. This gives Costco a price comparison advantage that's almost impossible to game. If the exact product isn't sold anywhere else, no one can advertise it cheaper. And here's the kicker. This also means the deals you find at Costco on tools cannot be price matched at Home Depot. Home Depot's own policy explicitly excludes wholesale clubs. They're not missing an oversight. They're acknowledging that the pricing is different enough that they've stopped trying to compete. Now here's where it gets genuinely interesting. And this is the part most members completely miss. Some of Costco's tool deals aren't just cheaper. They come with terms that don't exist on the same product anywhere else in the country. Take Greenworks. You may already know Greenworks as the battery-powered outdoor tool brand that keeps showing up in best of lists. They make electric mowers, chainsaws, pressure washers, and power tools, and Costco carries a 4-piece combo kit from Greenworks that includes a drill driver, a 6.5-inch circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and a multi-tool with batteries and a charger for $299.99. That's already competitive. But the part that matters is buried in the fine print. Register that Greenworks kit online as a Costco member, and Greenworks doubles the warranty length. Not a minor extension, double. That applies to tools that normally ship with a 2-year warranty becoming 4-year coverage. On a cordless toolkit where the battery is often the first thing to go, that extended warranty is worth real money. You will not find that deal if you buy the same brand through Amazon or a hardware store. It exists specifically because of the relationship between Greenworks and Costco. The Little Giant MegaLite Plus ladder works the same way. Little Giant makes some of the most respected multi-position ladders on the market, the kind that can function as an A-frame, an extension ladder, a staircase ladder, and scaffolding, all from the same piece of equipment. The MegaLite Plus version, rated for 300 pounds, reaching a maximum height of 18 feet, is a Costco exclusive. You cannot buy it at that configuration and that price anywhere else. At $189.99, with over 200 5-star reviews from Costco members, it's the kind of tool that people specifically join Costco to access. And then there are the deals that aren't exclusive, but are just quietly cheaper in ways that most people never check. The DeWalt 8-gallon wet-dry vacuum, 5-horsepower motor, stainless steel body, 4 swiveling casters, and a 12-foot cord sits at $94.99 at Costco. A comparable DeWalt model carries a retail tag of $139 on Amazon. That gap is $44, and the Costco version carries 4.6 stars across over 800 combined reviews. You're getting the same brand name, similar performance, and meaningfully better pricing. This is the category of deal that Costco's tool section is full of, but only if you know to look. The pattern holds across the whole aisle. Leatherman Combo packs that bundled 2 multi-tools together at a price that undercuts buying either one separately. Greenworks 80-volt chainsaws marked down by $100 from their standard retail price. Workshop tables with solid rubberwood tops and 800-pound weight capacity, priced for homeowners and sized for professionals. These are not impulse buys sitting near the checkout. They're legitimate tools from legitimate brands that happen to be cheaper at a store most people associate with bulk salsa. There is one honest caveat worth naming, because this video would be doing you a disservice without it. Costco's tool selection rotates. This is not a hardware store. There is no guarantee that every product covered here will be on the floor or the website the next time you look. Some deals run seasonally. Some are one-time overstock situations. Costco's treasure hunt model is a feature for shoppers who plan ahead and a frustration for everyone else. The response to that is simple. If you see a tool at Costco that fits a project you're working on or a gap in your kit, you buy it when you see it. Waiting is how people miss deals at Costco. The other thing worth knowing is the return policy. Costco's return policy on most merchandise is essentially unlimited. If a tool fails, malfunctions, or simply doesn't perform the way you expected, you can return it, even months later. That backstop changes the risk calculation on buying a tool you're uncertain about. At Home Depot, you have 90 days and a receipt. At Costco, you have substantially more room. For members buying a significant toolkit or a piece of equipment they've never used a brand of before, that protection quietly adds value to every purchase. So the next time you walk into Costco, take a left before you reach the food. The tool aisle is exactly where it's always been, and now you know what to look for. If you found this useful, subscribe for more deep dives into where the real deals are hiding in places you already shop.